This video will cover everything you need to know about creating a Texas LLC operating agreement, including the steps to use an online template to create your own. Contracts Council's marketplace has multiple lawyer-drafted templates that you can choose for your specific business needs. If you're starting a business in Texas and need a legally binding operating agreement, this video is for you. Learn the key concepts and steps to create your agreement in just a few minutes. Before we start, just a brief disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes and in no way constitutes legal advice. For legal advice, we encourage you to consult a licensed attorney. You can find more information in the description along with a link to find lawyer-drafted templates or an attorney. What is an LLC operating agreement? A Texas LLC operating agreement is a legal document that outlines the ownership and operating procedures of a Texas limited liability company, LLC. It defines the roles and responsibilities of the members, how the company is managed, and how profits and losses are distributed. Having an operating agreement is vital for LLCs to protect their limited liability status, settle disputes, and clarify how decisions are made within the company. Understanding the key sections in a Texas LLC operating agreement is essential to filling out your online template correctly. Here are the key sections you'll typically find. 1. Company information. This section includes the LLC's name, the purpose of the business, and its formation details. 2. Members and ownership. Here, you'll list the names of the members and their respective ownership percentages in the LLC. 3. Management structure. This outlines whether the LLC will be managed by its members or by appointed managers, as well as the duties and responsibilities of each. 4. Capital contributions. This section specifies the initial contributions made by each member and outlines any future funding requirements. 5. Profit and loss distribution. This section defines how the LLC's profits and losses will be divided among the members. 6. Voting rights and decision-making. This outlines how decisions will be made within the LLC and the voting power each member holds. 7. Transfer of membership interest. This section defines how membership interests can be transferred if a member wants to leave or sell their interest in the LLC. And 8. Dissolution and winding up. This explains the process for dissolving the LLC and how the remaining assets will be distributed after debts are paid. How to fill out a Texas LLC operating agreement template. Now let's dive into how you can fill out an LLC operating agreement using an online template. Here is a list of 6 steps you can follow to fill out a Texas LLC operating agreement template you can find on Contracts Council's marketplace. Step 1. Select a template. Choose a template that fits your LLC's management structure, whether it's member-managed or manager-managed. Contracts Council's marketplace offers various lawyer-drafted templates to meet different business needs. Step 2. Enter company information. Start by filling in the legal name of your LLC, its principal office address, and the date the company was formed. Step 3. List members and ownership. Next, enter the full legal names of each LLC member and specify their ownership percentage in the company. Step 4. Define management roles. Specify whether your LLC will be member-managed or manager-managed. For member-managed LLCs, describe each member's duties. For manager-managed LLCs, outline the manager's responsibilities. Step 5. Financial provisions. Complete the sections detailing each member's initial capital contribution, how profits and losses will be distributed, and the rules for adding future contributions if needed. And Step 6. Signature section. Ensure that all members sign the agreement. Include their names and titles and leave space for any additional signatures if necessary. The rest of the document, typically drafted by an attorney, will be pre-filled with standard legal provisions. You can review these sections, but don't need to modify them unless you have specific customizations in mind. Creating a Texas LLC operating agreement is crucial for ensuring smooth business operations and protecting the limited liability status of your company. If you need help from an experienced lawyer or want to find a lawyer-drafted template, feel free to search Contracts Council or visit contractscouncil.com. Thanks for watching.